What it do, cordless fans? Finally got the new liner in. Still got to do some trimming and tucking, but for the most part, I think it came out okay. Built the new filtration system for it. Seems to be working okay for now. Upgraded to a 400 per gallon hour pump from the 80 per gallon hour pump that I had. It was just doing nothing at all. Got some aquatic plants on the way. Filtration system was actually pretty easy to build. Had a lot of the parts already on hand. The water's being pumped from the pond through the tubing there, and it's being pumped out on the bottom. Underneath I have some cocoa, what would you call that, some clay pebbles for the particulates to help grab onto, and then I've staggered sponges and all types of absorbent material in between, and with a layer of felt on top of that. Cover it with rocks to ensure that it holds it down. As the water is pumped in and filtered through, the clean water flows out the top here and back over into our pond. This helps aerate the water and keeps our algae level down. Fish should enjoy it. Again, all this is built from scratch. There we go. Keep that on to keep mosquitoes and whatnot out. I think it came out okay. All that's left now is to get the pH right and add the fish.